Hi there. I've got a very quick unboxing today because I have a mystery gift from the lovely Mr. March Payne. He's sent me something, I think as a thank you for the rune high heel shoes that we 3D printed and painted up for him. I don't know what it is, so let's have a look. I've just cut open the top and you can immediately see it is doll related. So let's see. Okay, I've got 3 rainbow highs in my collection. Looks like I'm about to be adding to that. Let's see. Shiny packaging. Who have we got? Oh! Oh my goodness! Oh yes! Yes, yes, yes! Oh, March, thank you so much. As you can see, this is Olivia Woods. Oh, I'm really happy with that. I just loved her. I loved seeing you unbox her with her green hair, her colouring. Oh, yes. Oh, I'm really excited. Oh, thank you, thank you. My goodness, she is gorgeous. Well, I'll whip her out the packaging for some final shots. Oh gosh, we've got something else in here and a note, I think. Oh, here we go. Dear Beth, I hope you enjoy this happy mail. I do. I've included the book because there is a forest dryad in it called Bramble who makes me think of this doll. That is wonderful. Oh, lovely. It's called Silver in the Wood by Emily Tesh. Ooh, absolutely. I will certainly be reading this. I read a lot of manga at the moment, but yeah, I'll definitely be reading this. And thank you very much. I'm sure it will inspire some new clothing and accessories for this gorgeous girl. Thank you so much. I will include some final shots and I hope you enjoy. I'll speak to you again soon. Thank you. Bye.
Before you go, I just wanted to pop in and add another big thank you to March Payne and to explain that I actually received this lovely gift back in May but had held back on releasing the video because I was hoping to get a chance to make a new outfit for Olivia and include that footage in this video. Unfortunately, I haven't had a chance to work on it yet, although she has had her hair washed and a pair of shoes sourced, as well as some concept sketches, which I'll include here. I'd love to know what you think of my concept for her, and leave me a nice comment below to help manifest this beautiful girl's new look. I'll definitely share my process when I do get a chance to restyle her. She's so beautiful. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!